Good morning, dear student. This is your Jayashree teacher. Welcome to the Happy Learning Self Study Session 2. Hope you all are safe and healthy. In the last lecture, we have done the revision of question and answers of Civic Chapter 1 Introduction to the Parliamentary System. Now, today, we will continue with the History Chapter 4 The Freedom Struggle of 1857. Let's have the recap what we have studied in the last lecture of history. We have seen the causes for the struggle of 1857, in which we have learned the economic causes, social causes, political causes, and the discontent among the Indian soldiers. Now, let us study about the first outburst of the War of 1857. In 1856, the British provided long Enfield rifles with cartridges smeared with fats of cows and pigs were provided to the Indian soldiers. End of the cartridges has to be bitten off, but the Indian soldiers refused it as it hurt their religious sentiment. Indian soldiers were severely punished. Mangal Pandey from Barakpur cantonment shoot on the English officer as a reaction to the unjust nature of the British officers. Mangal Pandey was arrested and hanged to death. Entire regiment of the Indian soldier at Merit marched towards Delhi. Thousands of the Indian voluntary joined the march. They handed over the leadership of freedom struggle to Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah and proclaimed him as the Emperor of India. Now, let us study about the scope of the struggle of 1857. The self-confidence of the Indian soldiers increased with the capture of Delhi. Bahadur Shah, the Emperor of India, increased the self-confidence and inspired the soldiers. Revolt spread to North India, including Bihar, Rajputana, Lucknow, Allahabad, Kanpur, Banaras, Jhansi, and Bareilly. It also spread to the South India. Bills too revolted. 400 females Bill participated in the revolt. Thank you, dear student. Hope you understood. In the next lecture, we will continue with the remaining part of the lesson, the freedom struggle of 1857. In the next lecture, we will continue with the leadership of the struggle and the crushing of the struggle. Take care. Have a nice day.